I will show you the simplest change that made reading nearly effortless and much easier for me. Because every page you read physically changes your brain. Every sentence you understand forces billions of neurons to communicate, forming and strengthening connections that didn't exist before. Now compare that with doomscrolling. A new post every few seconds, a new topic, a new emotion, a new distraction. Your brain never gets the chance to focus deeply on one thing. But when you read, your brain is not just recognizing words. It predicts what comes next. It visualizes scenes. It remembers previous ideas. It connects new information with what you already know. That's why people who read consistently often become better thinkers. Not because books magically make you smarter, but because reading trains one of the most valuable skills in modern life, the ability to stay focused. And today, focus is becoming rarer than information. So how do you fix this? You don't have to read hundreds of books this year. Open Readersonic and start with one article. Your brain changes through repetition, not intensity. You can genuinely replace doomscrolling with productive reading. Because reading one word at a time feels far less overwhelming than staring at a wall of text. And you can adjust the speed to match your own ability. And now Readersonic is not just a tool anymore. It's also a community where you can share writing, discover ideas from others, and build a healthier reading habit together.